My name's Laura and I've studied Welsh as a second language in Swansea University. The best thing about studying in Swansea was the fact that with my course the classes are quite small, so you get to know everyone a bit better. Everyone becomes a little family and you get to know the lecturers as well. They provide a lot more help, I think, than someone who would be studying a course where there are hundreds on the course. So yeah, it just felt really close and everyone knew each other and everyone was at the same level, so we were all helping each other through it. In the first year I decided to join the Welsh Society. Because I come from a second language background, I wasn't really sure whether or not I'd be a part of the society. I just thought I'd join it and see what happens. But everyone was really welcoming and friendly, and they all understand that everyone comes from different backgrounds. They're all at different levels. So there was a bit of everything for everyone, and then by the end, you didn't really have a problem with going to socialise through the medium of Welsh, and I think that's the most important thing. My experience in Swansea has been, well, really good. I wasn't really sure where I wanted to go to university, but then after coming to an open day, I just loved the place. Everything's on the same campus, it's really close to the beach. You're also in the middle of the city, so it's just a nice place to study. I've done a spin work placement through the university. I'm working with Academy Howell Teifi in the Welsh Language Centre in Pontardawe, Tir Gored. The centre just ensures that everyone in the area has somewhere to go where they can use language. Mentor Iaith work there. There'll be classes for learners as well starting in September. There's an aided officer, so it just ensures that everyone in the valleys in the area can use the Welsh language in different contexts. Hopefully work through the medium of Welsh because no one in my family speaks it, so it's important to ensure that I don't lose the language and forget everything that I've learned over the last 4 years. I'm also hoping to do a master's through research in the field of the short stories.